Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and today is Father's Day. For my biggest present for Father's Day, I wanted to give Daddy a day off from doing videos. So I thought I'd make a video for my daddy and all the daddies on the channel. Enjoy!
He's a 20 years straight, get to work on time. He's loved one woman for all his life. He's a shirt off his back, give you his last dime. He's strong. He's in need to move something, you can use my truck. He's an overtime worker when the bills pile up. Everybody knows he ain't just tough. He's strong. Strong. He'll pick you up and won't let you down. Rock solid inside out. Somebody you can trust. Steady as the sun. Ain't nothing gonna knock him off the road he's rolling on. He's strong. It ain't what he can carry or what he can lift. It's a dirt road lesson talking to his kids about how to hold your ground and how to live strong. He's strong. He'll pick you up, won't let you down. Rock solid inside out. Somebody you can trust. Steady as the sun. Ain't nothing gonna knock him off the road he's rolling on. He's strong. Talking about how he was strong. Strong. He'll pick you up and won't let you down. Rock solid inside out. Somebody you can trust. Steady as the sun. Ain't nothing gonna knock him off the road he's rolling on. He's strong. Everybody knows he ain't just tough. He's strong.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for being my dad's friend. Thank you, Will, for letting us use your song. Happy Father's Day, and thank you for helping me make my video. It was Escape the Ordinary something. I just can't remember. Thanks for joining us in our Wyoming Life.